In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download in BlueStacks. BlueStacks is a powerful tool that allows you to run Android apps on your computer. The process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you step by step. We'll explore three methods: downloading from the Google Play Store, the BlueStacks Store, and installing an APK file. Let's dive in. First, we will download apps from the Google Play Store. To begin, open BlueStacks on your computer. You will see a familiar Android interface that resembles a mobile device. This is where all your apps will live. Next, locate and open the Google Play Store app. This is where you can find millions of apps and games. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. This is crucial because it allows you to access your favorite apps and sync your information. Once signed in, you can search for the app or game you want to install. Simply type the name of the app in the search bar and hit enter. After you find the desired app, click the install button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. You will see a progress bar indicating how much time is left. Once the installation is complete, you can find the app either on the home screen or in the My Games section. This makes accessing your new app easy and quick. Now let's explore the second method, downloading from the BlueStacks store. Start by opening BlueStacks again. This time, look for the BlueStacks store icon and click on it. The BlueStacks store features a variety of apps tailored for use within the BlueStacks environment. Use the search bar to find the app or game you want. It's similar to the Google Play Store, but specifically curated for BlueStacks users. Once you locate the app, click the install button. Some installations may redirect you to the Google Play Store to complete the process. This is common and ensures that you have the latest version of the app. After the installation is finished, you can launch the app from the home screen or the My Games section. This method is beneficial because it offers a streamlined experience for BlueStacks users. Next, we will cover how to install an APK file. First, download the APK file to your computer from a trusted source. Open BlueStacks after the download is complete. You will see the familiar Android interface again. Now, you can either drag and drop the APK file directly into the BlueStacks window or use the Install APK option from the side toolbar. This method is particularly useful for apps that may not be available on the Google Play Store. Wait for the installation to finish. You will see a notification confirming that the app has been installed successfully. Once done, you can launch the app right from the home screen or the My Games section. This option provides flexibility, allowing you to use apps not found in the traditional stores. Finally, a quick note. If an app isn't available in the BlueStacks store, you can try installing it from the Google Play Store instead. Additionally, some apps and games may require a specific Android instance, such as Pi 64-bit, to run properly. Understanding this can save you time and frustration. With these methods, you can easily download apps in BlueStacks. Enjoy exploring the vast array of Android applications available at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!